We gathered where the pine trees meet the sand, 1,000 colors carried in our hands. From eastern shores to the distant west, we wear the traditions that we love the best.
The threads of silk in every grand design, with every flag our stories intertwine. A welcoming voice is calling out our names. No borders here, we share the same bright flame. Oh brother, when you carry us away, a painted parade on a golden day, 50 nations dancing in the breeze, singing songs of peace across the seas. With every string we hold, we're flying high, a million colors in a single sky.
You see the woven patterns, old and new, a heritage of red and gold and blue. The sleeping giants wake and take their flight, while painted creatures dance into the light. Oh brother, when you carry us away, a painted parade on a golden day, 50 nations dancing in the breeze, singing songs of peace across the seas.
With every string we hold, we're flying high, a million colors in a single sky. So let the music rise above the shore, where salt and sea are opening the door. Together now, a tapestry of grace, one world, one sky in this beautiful place.